Underwater drones being tested by China could be used to blockade the Panama Canal or even the U.S. West Coast, an American defense publication has claimed. The drones, referred to as XXLUUVs, extra-large unmanned underwater vehicles, are highly classified and little is known for certain about them. However, some clues have been gleaned from satellite imagery, eyewitness photographs and a builder's concept model displayed at a defense exhibition, according to the Naval News website. The report said the drones were believed to be by far the world's largest and to be capable of sailing more than 10,000 nautical miles, 18,500 kilometers, about twice the width of the Pacific, allowing them to reach the Western Americas, including the strategically vital canal. Their internal weapons bays could carry sea mines or between 8 and 12 torpedoes, providing China with low-risk options to directly threaten West Coast ports, the report published on Wednesday said. Naval News earlier reported that two prototypes of a similar size but different design were spotted by satellites during tests in the South China Sea in September. The drones were housed in specialized floating docks at two separate ports in Hainan province and were possibly competing for a contract with the Chinese Navy. CSSC said its drone could dive to a depth of between 300 and 450 meters and had a top speed of 20 knots, 37 kilometers per hour. The product card added that the design had three possible configurations, one that would allow it to carry torpedoes or torpedo tube-launched missiles, another that could carry up to 8 special operations divers, and a third capable of carrying sea mines or multiple smaller sea drones. The shipbuilder added that it could be remotely controlled by a shore-based or shipboard command center, either through radar signals sent via satellite and relayed through a network of buoys or through a long-range underwater acoustic communication link connected to the buoys.